Hey, Dane here, and welcome to my garage. Well, we're driving the Explorer yesterday. I had to pull the freaking boat out of the water. And when I came back up to stop, my pedal went to the floor. And that means I blew a brake line. Well, I'm looking in my... Hey. I'm looking in the wheel well. And of course it's the driver's side. Following it back, it winds up being the passenger side, or the driver's side rear. Passenger side rear. What I'm doing right now is I'm pulling the battery box out so I can get to it. It's coming up through here, coming up around there, coming up over the frame, and then under the battery box, and of course into the anti-skid motor. So the easiest way to get to it is to pull the battery box at the moment. Get some light on the side. Alright, so here we are. Here. Can't get it in there. Interesting. So okay, so there's the line. There's where the line blew right there, and it's going all the way back to the rear, and I'm going forward here. Figure out which right here. That's this outer one. That one there. Where are you? You out here? Awesome. So you're right here. That be nut. That one right there. Freaking stuff all the way back. Alright. So the line we're looking at is this one right here. And you're going all the way back, up and over, and there's a little block in the back that attaches to. So I'm running that stuff all the way back. This is an older model. This is, of course, 2003. So they're gonna be double flare. You're not gonna have bubble flare. I'm trying to do something with that without breaking it. Maybe. Not sure. We'll see. Stay tuned. And this is going to be replacing the... Oh, you son of a gun. There's where you went. Ha ha ha. I found it. Awesome. I'm all beat up now. That is the... That's the outer bearing universal joint for the four-wheel drive. I've been looking for it. I couldn't figure out where the heck it went. So I bought another. I actually bought a new U-joint, and that's what I freaking traded in on that wheel bearing for that compass that decided to frickin' disintegrate. And he's got to be careful of this thing because twist that sucker off. This is just being held on plastic. Find me another something to hold on to that. See if I can get the B-nut to break. The B-nut to break. I might be in good shape. I know this thing's got all kinds of curves and bends and all kinds of. It was getting ready to let go up here. I got it to let go, which is good. But as you can see right here, this is getting ready to let go too. I didn't even do anything to it. It just went poof. It's getting ready to twist off. Wow. That line. Ready to break. Just stop. There it went. Broke off. Jeez. Double flare. Double flare, double flare. Carry this on here. Get contaminated. Oh man, I hate brakes. But that's you though, right? Yep. There it is. There it is. Okay. Around the corner. Can't do. Oh, you're a braid. I actually braided there, huh? All right. Aren't you special? You're actually braided. All right, so that was actually getting ready to blow right up here, and of course it blew right there. All right. Well, thank God it blew in the yard, because that's where it blew. It didn't blow on the road. It didn't blow on the road. That could have been bad. All right, so there we are. And then part 2 is going to be freaking replacing this line. That line comes right along the bottom here. And it goes back up and over. Now let's see if I blow that. Get that. Because I'm gonna have to replace it all the way back. I gotta need that. I already sprayed a blaster. This means I got to bleed all the lines. Fall off here. Alright. Okay. So let's back in there and get that. Don't know, I may have to take the tire off. Yeah. Another video. Probably gonna be red. Better pulling cockamamie tire off. What's today? With when? Too many. Ain't too big all the way around. That's even the same size, and it's not. Probably gonna be better. Just take that wheel off and get right to it. All right, that'll be another video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. Catch you next Dana's Garage Project Explorer.